Now, I've been sending a lot of Stephen Greer's YouTubes all over the place, as well as some of my own. I want to tell you some of the places I've been sending them. Activist investor Nelson Peltz at the Trian Fund Management, because I want big Wall Street wheeler dealers to understand that the transdimensional physics will have a profound effect on our economy from here on out. And Institutional Shareholder Services, the ISS, sent it to David Chalmers, who's a famous philosopher. Nick Bostrom sent it to the Institute for Quantum Information at Caltech, because the transdimensional physics will ramify through the physics community in a huge way. I sent it to the Human Brain Project, a very famous scientist who works there, Professor Seth Grant, who's a major personage in the scientific community. The scientific community will have to start taking alien contact and the disclosure movement seriously. Greg Palast, you've all heard of him. He's a big sort of a investigative reporter and an activist. I sent it to the Disney World Epcot Center at their research department, because they are going to have to upgrade the Epcot Center. We are interstellar, we have time travel, we have physical materialization, and the visions of the future that you see at Disney World are nowhere near as advanced as they should be. The International Brain Research Organization. I've been sending this to neuroscience organizations all over the country, because the way telepathic communication works, I believe it is completely different from the neural activity and the chemical and electrical activities that we see that are being currently studied. This is a trans-dimensional object of communication. I don't know how it works, but I will be very surprised if neuroscience and brain science are not completely revolutionized by the transdimensional physics, because any mind control victim like me knows that the brain has been completely unlocked, and that knowledge and that technology is in the hands of the highest clearance levels at the Pentagon and in this international group called Majestic. So many philosophical organizations, the Association for the Scientific Study of Consciousness, Concerned Philosophers for Peace, the Ethics and Excellence in Journalism Foundation, and then I've sent it to the Federation of American Scientists. These are my YouTubes and Stephen Greer's YouTubes. I've sent it to the International Behavioral Neuroscience Society, the International Brain Research Organization, the Cognitive Neuroscience Society. I've sent it to the American Law and Economics Association. All of the legal organizations are going to be profoundly impacted by telepathic communication and all of the other stuff involved with free energy, free manufacturing, and alien contact. It's the biggest legal item or agendum that has ever crossed any lawyer's desk anywhere. Now, Stephen Greer already has a lawyer, but I'm telling you, lawyers and legislators are going to be intimately involved with this disclosure process as it continues from the darkness into the light. So, I'll stop there. I did want to mention one thing. I'm getting these notices from Google. I'm seeing this thing, and it's not an alien ship. It's a sensor ship. It says there from YouTube, "You have shared too many videos recently. Please try again later." Okay? So I am being censored by Google and by YouTube. They don't want me distributing these YouTubes. So, that's it for this one.